Okay, today I had a consultation out of the Pomona Courthouse, meaning they had filed their paperwork at the Pomona Courthouse in LA County. They had filed in June. They did the initial petition, summons. There was no kids. They did the proof of service, and then they got stuck. A lot of my business comes to me. Let me back up. Half of my business comes to me from scratch. They haven't filed anything with the court, just getting the ball rolling, want me to take care of it for them. Great. The other half of the clients come to me having started their divorce and being somewhere in the process. So in this case, they did the initial petition, pretty much easy enough, but people still make tons of mistakes on them. Did the proof of service, then saw the next steps and said, oh my gosh, I need to get someone to help me. And we're going to take care of their Pomona divorce case. So they just kind of got to that first step and then said, okay, I need someone to bail me out. Perfect. Be happy to take over. The other half of that business that comes to me is people try to get all the way to the judgment phase, maybe turn their judgment in 1, 2, 3, 6, 10 times over a period of years, and finally throw in the towel and say, Tim, I can't, there's nothing I can do to get this approved. Can you take over? And the answer is yes. In all of these cases, as long as you guys are in agreement to all the terms, I can fix anything. Sometimes we have to start over. Sometimes we can get it approved based on how you started the process, which is my preference. But if we have to start over, no big deal. We can amend your petition. You won't have any additional court fees. You get to amend your petition at least once, free with the court.